Hello, my name is Noemi. I am from the XTech program at the Exploratorium.
My name is Pamela and I'm a museum ambassador at the DM Museum.
And my name is Angelica and I am an intern of the Careers in Science program of the Academy of Sciences.
We're at the DM Museum this evening and we're learning about the culture, the art, and the animals from Papua New Guinea.
So what we're going to be talking about at Station 1 is masks and masquerade. The person who is wearing the mask, they become the supernatural entity that the mask is. And then once he's done, the mask actually loses all of the supernatural powers. And that's why we're able to exhibit these in the museum without having any sort of cultural conflict.
So while we were at the DM Museum, we learned about the different masks and the importance of masks to the people of the Papua New Guinea area.
And when we came back to the Academy, we were talking about the different birds and how the indigenous people of Papua New Guinea use them. So for example, the cassowary, the long feathers, that actually was a symbol of hunting because they were so hard to hunt down. They were very strong birds. Also the Rajiana bird of paradise, that one had the really long feathers where it would kind of show when they did dances.
And they also had these bags called billums. The feathers were used mostly for the men bag to embellish the men bags, and also the fur of the cuscus, which is a possum type of animal, was used for the bags. And that's what we did at the DM so far.
Hello. Yes. Yeah, I have. So the goals for this research trip are sort of twofold. The first thing that we're trying to do is just survey the birds of Nome province. So we want to visit as many different remote islands as possible. We want to document the bird species and numbers in as many localities as possible. So the first part of it is just trying to study the birds themselves. The second thing we're trying to add to this is the study of the diseases that birds carry.
My question is, how many languages do you speak? And if you don't speak that many, who communicates to the locals?
In New Guinea, there are over 800 different languages spoken. And something like 40% of the world's known languages are from New Guinea. And so that makes it almost futile to learn too many languages because, you know, as soon as you go over the next ridge, the folks there aren't going to speak the same language. Thanks again for everybody for coming, and hope to see you guys again. Cheers.